Hi guys, my name is Miley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below so that I can have a family here on this platform. We can grow together. Support your girl. It's not easy. I started this sometimes 2 years back, but due to service exigency, I have not been posting, or I post more on other platform. Anyway, as you can see, we are making pancakes. I just came back from a course and I decided to make pancakes for my nephew and my niece. When I go home, they're not around, and their mom, which is my elder sister, dropped key for me. I went to pick it up. So I said, okay, let me just do something for these people. Man, when they came, they ate that pancake. They really loved it. It was really nice. Yeah, it was nice. Meanwhile, growing up, I wanted to be an actress, a newscaster, or maybe someone working in an embassy. But nah. Guess where I find myself? I find myself in the military. Anyway, I grew up in a military environment, and somehow your environment try to influence most things you do. I'm really happy where I am, but still, I read diploma in mass communication, so I still have these little things. I still like these little things about the media, about marketing, broadcasting, doing business online. Anyway, I'll be telling you more about myself. Just ask me any question you want and I'll give you an answer. Thank you.